Good evening, everyone. I'm meteorologist Justin Stapleton. Very warm, very breezy, very muggy day outside, and that'll be the case as we head in towards this evening. Temperatures been sitting in the mid to upper 70s, a couple of the low 80s sprinkled out there as well. Now, we are tracking some showers and a few thunderstorms well south of here. Those have all dissipated, so we'll keep the cloud cover around from that, but the real action won't get fired up until we get in towards tomorrow and most of next week's forecast. You can see the winds coming right off of the Gulf there, anywhere from around 15 to 20 miles an hour wind gusts, especially in towards Sugar Land, Pearland, and Angleton above 30, so it is going to stay fairly breezy throughout the night tonight, and that is going to keep the temperatures well into the 70s through about 10, 11 o'clock. And in fact, I think we'll likely see our overnight lows stay around 70 degrees as well as we get ready to kick off what will be a bit of an unsettled work week. And here's why. Moisture streaming in from the Gulf. We've got this area of low pressure, what we call an upper level low, that's been bringing some heavy rain across portions of the southwest and out to California. That slowly starts to lift inland as it does. You can see the extra energy from the jet stream giving a little extra lift to the atmosphere, and that's what's going to fire off the chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. Along with the cold front coming in from the north, both of those kind of join together. Now, the bulk of the severe weather potential for this will all be well east of us. Same spot it's always been, Tennessee Valley all the way down towards the deep south. But we do expect to see a chance for some scattered and could see a few strong thunderstorms. That's Monday afternoon. Second wave comes as we head in towards your Tuesday morning. Majority of that, though, should stay a little further south down around Victoria, and we could see some storms around the coast. Third one starts to move through as we get into Wednesday. This one gets everybody wet across the state, and that'll be the one that we'll watch very carefully in terms of any flood potential. So let's go in a little tighter and show you what we've got as we start off later on tonight and into early tomorrow. Most of that will just be a thickening of the cloud cover as we go early tomorrow morning. Pretty quiet. Once we head into the afternoon, by 2, 3 o'clock, you can see those showers and thunderstorms starting to fire just south of Tyler all the way down towards the west. By about 5, 6 o'clock, they start to slowly sag southward, moving their way in towards the afternoon commute, and if you headed on down to Minute Maid Park. Once we get through about 9, 10 o'clock, most of those dissipate and they're done for the night. And then we'll get another quick little round as we get in towards our Tuesday afternoon, but again, the majority of it will stay south of us. And as we mentioned, Wednesday's showers and thunderstorms likely will be looking at a chance for some pretty hefty rain as well. So in all, we could be talking 1 to 2 inches north of I-10, 2 to 3 a little further down towards the coast. Officially tomorrow for the Astros, it'll be a warm one, 82, 40% chance for some scattered showers and thunderstorms. They'll be tapering off as we get ready towards first pitch, and then cooler, but still fairly muggy as we head in towards the overnight hours. So we'll stay right around 70 as we go overnight tonight. We'll put that 20% mention in for the first wave that'll try to sneak through here, and then 40% for tomorrow, a bit of a lull on Tuesday, and then Wednesday's soaker moving through, and then finally we start to quiet things down by Thursday and Friday back into the low 80s and sunny skies. However, we'll keep more rain back into the forecast for next weekend, and also into next week things look fairly unsettled as well. That's your forecast from right here at clicktohouston.com. Make sure you follow us on Facebook and Twitter. We'll give you the latest information as we get new weather information moving in with our computer models, and we'll also make sure that we give you the latest right here at clicktohouston.com.